New developments on a Hamden police officer who is under arrest.
I think it sends a dangerous message to police officers.
Tonight, we're hearing from the attorney representing the officer accused of shooting an unarmed couple. Channel 3 New Haven Bureau Chief Matt McFarland spoke with him and is live outside the Hamden Police Department with what he had to say. Matt?
Well, Denise, since the spring, protesters, activists, they have been calling for criminal charges in this shooting case. Now, Devin Eaton's attorney, he says that police work is not an easy job to begin with. And he says with the arrest and the potential going forward makes it that much more harder.
He's very distraught. I mean, he feels badly for the families affected by this as well.
Off the job for 6 months, Hamden officer Devin Eaton is now facing criminal charges after crossing into New Haven back in mid-April and firing off 13 shots at a car he believed was involved in an attempted armed robbery.
Police officers have to make split-second decisions based on information known to them at that time. And this was a 6-month investigation, and our courts have said police officers should not be judged with 20/20 hindsight. And I think that that's what happens in cases like this.
Greg Saratelli, a former police officer himself, is Eaton's attorney. He says his client's arrest sends a dangerous message. One, that officers need to be 100% right 100% of the time, or they risk facing charges.
If police officers hesitate to act, oftentimes they may end up dead.
Fortunately, in this case, no one died, but Stephanie Washington, a passenger in the car, was shot and injured. Her boyfriend, the driver, Paul Witherspoon, told investigators he was following Eaton's commands to get out of the car when the bullets started flying. Eaton says he thought he saw a gun. Witherspoon was unarmed.
We have to have faith in the criminal justice system and how it works, and I think that the ultimate development in this case will be fair.
John DiCarlo, a former Branford police chief with 35 years with the department, is the criminal justice chair at the University of New Haven. He says going forward, the possibility of criminal charges could make it difficult for police departments to recruit and retain officers. But he says one thing is clear.
I think that policing is always evolving. I think that this situation, like so many others, has to do with what we do at the university, and that's training and education, and we have to strive to make that better and for the highest levels of professionalism in policing.
Now, we did reach out to Paul Witherspoon's family again for comment, did not hear back from them. Devin Eaton is due in court next week, and yesterday we learned that here in Hamden is going to be the acting police chief. He is going to make a recommendation on Eaton's future with the department within the next 30 days. We're live at the mobile newsroom in Hamden. Matt McFarland, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.